Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received this foldable Ottoman chair. Let's open up and see how it works. This chair folds so well. It has a very fluffy and soft pillow that you can use on the top of the chair, or you can use it behind your back while sitting on something else. This is so nice. I love that it's foldable. I just need to take off the pillow from one side and I can fold it away. Just like this. And it wouldn't take much space in the storage, even like behind the couch or underneath the couch. It's the great stool if you want just your feet up by the couch, or if you need to put shoes on, if you need some kind of stool maybe by the entrance, in your bedroom, in the closet. It's very nice, super fluffy and super soft.
Cushion is filled with sufficient cotton, making it soft and comfortable. Cushion and the frame are connected with Velcro, allowing for easy removal. The Ottoman features robust metal frame with the powder coating finish, offering water and moisture resistance for lasting durability and practicality. This footstool is versatile enough to pair with sofas and chairs in your home for leg relaxation. It can also double as a seat, perfect for drinking coffee, reading, or even using as a shoe bench. This footrest stool folds easily for easy storage and moving, perfect for living room, bedrooms, gardens, balconies, offices, dorms, wherever you need it. It's made very balanced and allows easily to step on, but if you're older or don't balance well, don't do it.
I like this foldable chair just because, first of all, there is no installation required for anything. It comes with anti-slippery covers on the legs, super easy to open up and store it away. Very fluffy padding. It's strong enough to hold me while I'm reaching something higher, which if you don't balance well, don't do it. But it can withhold 200 pounds weight. Stylish and multifunctional. I love it and do recommend it.